Is it the right time to buy or sell Coinbase stock? Today, we're going to dive deep into Coinbase, providing you with an even more detailed analysis than before. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, January 2, 2024. To stay updated on our latest analysis, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell. By doing so, you won't miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Looking to enhance your trading decisions? Try our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. With this tool, you can tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Remember, this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of October 31, 2023, our system has ranked Coinbase as a hold/accumulate, with a score of 0.09. Now, let's dive into how the stock has performed during this period. Surpassing our expectations, Coinbase has shown remarkable growth, with a gain of 103.42% since we first recommended buying it 43 days ago. This translates to an average daily return of 2.41% since it was listed as hold/accumulate. The stock is currently in a strong rising trend, which presents a potential buying opportunity. However, if the lower trend floor at $151.35 is broken, it could indicate a slower rate of rising or even a trend shift. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a projected 152.61% change over the next 3 months, with a potential return between 143.72% and 206.05%. In terms of the 12-month trend, there is a projected 64.41% change over the next year, with a potential return between -12.31% and 95.92%. This means that the stock price could range from $137.57 to $307.37 after a year. Our latest update on Coinbase brings you an important headline: big movements in Coinbase stock price on Tuesday, with a 13.02% change between the highest and lowest points. On the last trading day, Tuesday, January 2, 2024, the Coinbase stock price experienced a decline of -9.80%, dropping from $173.92 to $156.88. Throughout the day, the stock price fluctuated between a low of $155.35 and a high of $175.57, representing a 13.02% difference. In the past 10 days, the price has risen in 7 instances and is currently up by 6.07% over the last 2 weeks. Although volume increased by 6 million shares on the last day, the prices were falling. This could be seen as an early warning, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, approximately $4.07 billion worth of Coinbase shares were bought and sold in a total of 26 million transactions. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded price for Coinbase stock was $187.39, while the lowest price reached $31.55. Currently, the price is 16.28% lower than the 52-week high, amounting to a difference of $30.51. Furthermore, it stands at 63.48% below the all-time high achieved on April 14, 2021, with a value of $429.54. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, November 21, 2023, it was reported that Needham gave Coin a buy grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, November 7, 2023, Wedbush gave Coin an outperform grade with a hold action. On Thursday, October 12, 2023, Oppenheimer gave Coin a perform grade with a hold action. On Friday, August 4, 2023, Needham gave Coin a buy grade with a hold action. On Friday, August 4, 2023, Raymond James gave Coin an underperform grade with a hold action. Analysts have given Coinbase stock a general buy rating. They highly recommend investing in this stock, rating the PE ratio and price to book as strong buy. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts have a more cautious stance, giving the stock a rating of neutral. Let's analyze the signals for Coinbase stock. Currently, the short-term moving average suggests a sell signal, while the long-term average indicates a buy signal. This means that there is a general buy signal for the stock as the short-term average is above the long-term average. Looking ahead, the stock may face resistance at around $173.99 if it continues to gain. Conversely, if it falls, it may find support around $136.15 from the long-term average. Breaking through the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while breaking through the long-term average will trigger a sell signal. There are also some negative signals to consider, which might impact the stock's near short-term performance. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Thursday, December 28, 2023, resulting in a minus 15.82% decline. Further downward movement is expected until a new bottom pivot is identified. Additionally, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, is currently showing a sell signal. Yesterday, volume increased as prices fell, which could be an early warning sign that requires closer monitoring of the stock. Today, I want to share with you some interesting signals to keep an eye on. The moving average convergence divergence is currently showing a sell signal. Pivots indicate a sell signal that occurred 3 days ago. On the other hand, Bollinger Bands are suggesting a buy signal that occurred 39 days ago. The short-term moving average is showing a sell signal that also happened 3 days ago. Conversely, the long-term moving average suggests a buy signal that occurred 44 days ago. Additionally, the relation between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal that took place 44 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart and analyze the signals. The short moving average shows a buy signal that occurred 44 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average also indicates a buy signal that occurred 42 days ago. Moreover, the relation between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal that took place 33 days ago. Don't forget to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals and insights. Today, we're going to talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Coinbase. Let's start with support levels. Currently, the stock finds support just below today's level at $141.09 and $140.20. When a stock is testing a support level, there's a natural risk involved. If the support is broken, the stock may fall to the next support level. In this case, if $141.09 is broken, the next support will be at $140.20 and $128.27. It's important to note that Coinbase is considered a high-risk stock due to its volatility. It can experience significant price movements throughout the day. The Bollinger Band also indicates a large prediction interval for this stock. In the last day, Coinbase had a price range of $20.22 between its high and low, which is equivalent to 13.02%. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 7.97%. Before we explore potential trading levels for Coinbase, it's important to understand some key fundamental data. Let's start with the price-to-earnings ratio, or P/E ratio. This ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its per-share earnings. A negative P/E ratio indicates that the company is either experiencing losses or has negative earnings. Established companies may go through temporary downturns due to external factors. However, sustained negative P/E ratios could indicate insufficient profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. Moving on to other news, the next earnings report for Q4 2023 is expected to be released on February 20, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for the earnings report are at $0.220. It's crucial to keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, let's explore some potential day trading levels for Coinbase. In the case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Coinbase stands at $161.86. If you don't currently own any shares, it might be wise to wait until this level is surpassed before entering a position. However, for those who are already holding the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading opportunities. On the downside, Coinbase faces its initial support level at $141.09. If this support level holds, it could serve as a favorable entry point, with the potential for a rebound. According to multiple analyst sources, Coinbase has received an average buy rating. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On December 27, 2023, Gruel Paul sold 15,000 shares of employee stock option, right to buy. On the same day, Gruel Paul bought 15,000 shares of Class A common stock. Gruel Paul also sold 15,000 shares of Class A common stock on December 27, 2023. On that day, Ersum Frederick Ernest III sold 300 shares of Class A common stock. Ersum Frederick Ernest III also sold 200 shares of Class A common stock on December 27, 2023. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power ratio is calculated to be -57.461, indicating a negative trend. In total, insiders have purchased 274,680 shares and sold 1,034,460 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is at $149.35, which represents a decrease of 4.8%. This stock is known for its high daily movements, which also means it carries a higher level of risk. We have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that was observed 2 days ago. Is Coinbase stock a good buy? When evaluating Coinbase, we have observed several negative signals, which could make it a sell candidate. However, considering the potential for a turnaround situation, it is advisable to hold or accumulate this stock while awaiting further development. We have slightly downgraded our analysis conclusion from a buy to a hold/accumulate candidate due to some minor weaknesses in the technical picture. After analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price of Coinbase stock is undervalued. As for trading on Wednesday, January 3rd, we expect Coinbase to open up at $162.60, with an increase of $5.72. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading carries a high risk of losing money. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us is not the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. We'd love to hear your thoughts on our current view of the stock. Share your agreement or disagreement in the comments below. What target have you set for this stock? Remember to show your support by liking and subscribing to our channel. As always, we wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.